Yeah, you never said a word, you didn't send me no letter. Don't think I could forgive you. See, our word is slowly dying, I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
I did all the hair and makeup tonight for the fashion show. You can find us on Facebook under Strawberries and Cream, and on there you'll get the link to our website as well. We specialize in bridal makeup, and Strawberries and Cream loves Infinity dresses.
And I love Infinity dress. I love Infinity.
You can buy an Infinity dress anywhere online, from anywhere in the world. The webpage you can buy it on is www.infinityoriginals.co.za or www.infinitybridalwear.co.za. I love Infinity dresses.